Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss classification of computer network. Then we'll discuss personal area network. Network types depend on how large they are and how much area they cover geographically. PAN or personal area network communicates between 2-3 mobile devices, laptops, headphones, to transfer music, files, etc. for personal use. Local area network. It is a computer network that interconnects computer within a limited geographical area. It may be office. Wireless local area network will work exactly as LAN, but it will not use wires. It will be a wireless communication. CAN, campus area network. It will connect two or more LANs, for example, universities, colleges, etc. Metropolitan Area Network or MAN is used to interconnect computers between cities. In MAN, many local area networks are interconnected. One or wide area network is used to interconnect computer networks over a large geographical area. It will cover cities, states, and countries. SAN or storage area network is used to store consolidated block level data storage. Now we'll discuss personal area network in detail. Network that is used on a personal level is called personal area network. To connect two or more devices such as smartphones, laptops, desktops, headphones. Normally, they connect to each other by using wireless technologies such as Bluetooth, infrared, near field communication or NFC. Can also connect by using a wired connection such as a USB cable. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, or we can use Firewire also. Pens are generally used to transfer small files such as music, photos, calendar appointments, and so on. Suppose we are using Bluetooth technology, then in each device the Bluetooth should be active. Suppose Bluetooth is active in laptop. We can connect this Bluetooth with mobile and wireless headset to transfer file, as well as we can listen music also. But the devices should be close to the master device. Here the master device is laptop. Now we'll discuss some advantages of personal area network. PAN is used in a small area, hence no extra space is required. No need for extra cable and wire because it covers only 10 meters. It is used in TV remote, AC remotes, etc. We are using this in a short area for that it is reliable and secure. We can connect any devices at a time. While listening music, we can transfer the files. Easy to use. We can transfer data as well as watch movies at the same time. Data can be synchronized between different devices. It is affordable and portable also. Now we'll discuss disadvantages of personal area network. We know it can be operated in less range of areas. The data transfer rate is slow. If some devices which is not having Bluetooth, we cannot connect. We know infrared signals travel only in straight line. If some obstacle will be there, then we will not be able to operate. Suppose we want to change the channel in our TV and some obstacle is there in front of the remote, then we will not be able to change the channel. The devices in which Bluetooth is there is expensive. PAN uses microwave signals in some digital devices which have effect on the human body like brain and heart problems may occur. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.